Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce MOEORW-WRJ8 grounding resistance tester. Now let's start to introduce how to connect the wires. First, we have to test clips, which are red and black. Each has 2 wires. Then we can see the black wire below is thicker, and the upper one is thinner. The larger is for current. Smaller connection voltage. Just connect them according to the color of the wire. Then connect it to both ends of the resistor to be tested. We use a DC resistor to replace that. After connecting, we can turn it on. First, we can set a resistance value according to our own requirements. Click to set. Here is a resistance value. We set the maximum to 500 ohms. Then you can adjust it yourself according to your needs. Then press set again. This is a window into an experimental countdown. We can set it, for example, the test time is set to 5 seconds. Then here is a compensation resistor. If we have a wire resistance, we need to set a value to subtract this from the measured resistance to make the measurement more accurate. If the measurement accuracy is not so high, we can set it to 0. We set it to 0 for now. Then here is an open circuit alarm function. Then the setting is completed. For example, if we want to set, let's see how to measure the compensation resistance. So, add the connection. After shorting, click Start. It will show a grounding resistance. That's ER milligrams of resistance. So we can set the compensation value. We can set it to 1.2. You reset it first, then connect this to the test resistor. Then click on the setting P here. Set compensation resistance to 1.2. We can set the compensation value. To set our compensation value, then click Set. The compensation light is on. It means we have set the compensation value. Then we adjust the resistor and give a resistance, for example, 0.3. Then click Test. Set our current to 0.3. It usually needs to be 10 amps. Our time is too short. We need to set it above 10 amps. It shows 308.3 milliamps, because there must be errors in our setting. It shows it's qualified. If we exceed the range, it will show an alarm. For example, if we adjust it to 0.6 is 600 milliamps. Let's test it again. .622 exceeded to liters of 500 ohms, so the police were called. We need to reset. We can also turn off the alarm. It's in the settings. In the open circuit alarm function, H means off. Okay, that's all for this explanation. Thank you.